Welcome to the Saatva HD Mattress review. Be sure to check out the $769 discount offer. The Saatva HD Mattress is a top choice for larger individuals, hot sleepers, and those seeking a durable long-term investment. The mattress construction is impressive, starting with an organic cotton cover that is breathable and soft. The quilted premium foam provides a pillow top feel, while the 5-zone layer of natural latex offers excellent support and comfort in different areas. The high-density memory foam and comfort foam layers contribute to pressure relief and additional support. Unboxing the Saatva HD mattress is hassle-free since it doesn't come compressed in a box like other bed-in-a-box mattresses. It arrives fully expanded and ready to use, making setup convenient. In terms of firmness and feel, the Saatva HD is firmer than average, rating around an 8 out of 10. However, the perception of firmness can vary depending on body weight. The mattress has a bouncy and responsive feel due to the presence of latex and coils, allowing for easy movement during sleep. Regarding sleeping positions, the Saatva HD offers a great balance of comfort and support for back sleepers, thanks to its lumbar support and zoning. Side sleepers, especially those who are larger, should also find it comfortable, although some pressure may be experienced on the shoulders and hips. Stomach sleepers will appreciate the excellent support provided, preventing the hips from sinking and maintaining alignment. For couples, the Saatva HD mattress performs well in terms of edge support, providing a secure feeling when sitting or lying near the edge. However, motion transfer could be slightly noticeable due to the presence of coils, although the thick foam layers help absorb some movement. The Saatva HD mattress is priced around $3,200 for a queen size. It may not be the best option for lightweight or medium-weight sleepers, as it is specifically designed for larger individuals. It's also not ideal for those on a tighter budget or those who prefer a memory foam feel. In summary, the Saatva HD mattress is an excellent choice for bigger people, hot sleepers, and those seeking a durable investment. Its thoughtful construction, supportive features, and breathable materials make it a comfortable and long-lasting mattress option. There are also some fantastic discounts that are being offered. First, you can get a $494 factory discount right now. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss it. Second, for select individuals, you can get an extra $225 discount. Check to see if you qualify. Third, you can get another $50 discount on top of any other discounts. This is a stackable discount that you can use with any other offer. Click the links in the description to get your discounts.